what so proudly we hailed.
25 cadets from Region 9 of the Peace Officer Standards and Training Academy at Utah Tech University anxiously awaited their graduation on Saturday. These candidates have been training for the past 6 months to learn the tools of the trade to become effective law enforcement agents.
They get everything from self-defense to law to driving vehicles to processing crime scenes. They have everything that the modern-day police officer needs to have to hit the streets now.
Retiring Director Bob Flowers has overseen around 250 cadets come through this program during his time as director.
I've been doing this for 10 years, and this is my final class. And it's hard to express in words when you see the change in people. They come from young men and women graduating ready to hit the streets and law enforcement in the beginning phases of their training. It's a magnificent thing to see the changes in people. It's wonderful.
As the current chief of the Santa Clara Ivins Police Department, Flowers relished his time over the years while giving the keynote address to the newest post-grads.
Some officer somewhere is running code someplace to render aid. Some officers probably doing CPR somewhere in America. There's probably a barricaded suspect. You'll have those moments, but I want you to remember that your partner is there for you, and your knock on your door may come your first shift, but be ready for it. Know that you're an extraordinary individual, and if you do it right, you'll come through that door just like the rest of us will. Thank you very much, and good luck for your careers. Thank you all.
Lieutenant Sam Despain of the St. George Police Department is now the new director of the post program.
I'm excited. In my position, I had the chance to work the streets. I can't wait to 1025, door to door, and hear about the lives that you're changing and the influence and impact you're having on the individuals and the communities that you serve. I know you will go on and do great things.
And those in attendance of the post-graduation ceremony were impressed to see these graduates move forward.
Postgraduates, today you become official Utah Tech alumni. I hope you will embody the spirit of a trailblazer.
Jared Bergen.
As each of the 25 graduates were called upon stage to receive their certificates, family members and friends were excited to see their achievements. Several awards were given out to post-grads for their outstanding work in firearms, physical fitness, academic, and director's choice.
In this academy, we were lucky enough to have a father and a son graduate together. This director's award goes to Dwayne and Dannon Barnson.
Cadet Trevor Muse, who also won the Physical Fitness Award, gave the class response.
We've been through a lot with each other. We've had officers, Officer Bates, make us run countless miles with all the sweat, blood, and tears, and a little bit throw up on the way. One could say we left it all on the track. We must keep in mind that we are more than police officers. We are community leaders. We must treat everyone with respect and compassion, and always remember that our actions and decisions have the potential to affect people's lives. In closing, I want to congratulate you guys once again on your graduation from the Police Academy. We've worked hard to get here, and you should be proud of what you've accomplished.
Chief Flowers was then presented with a gift of remembrance from his last class. Graduates then proudly took their oath to the Code of Ethics.
Of my agency and of the citizens that I serve.
Many of the cadets will be starting new jobs with police departments and law enforcement agencies across the region.
You know, St. George is the place I feel like I want to be. I had a really good relationship with Lieutenant Despain throughout the academy, and he kind of helped prod me in that direction. I love the feedback, and I don't like the sugarcoat things, so that was something that was huge for me that I saw with St. George PD was, hey, these guys, they're gonna get me where I need to be.
Family members and friends are confident with the training despite the threat of imminent danger on a day-to-day basis.
I think that they give them every and all opportunity to be experienced in every way possible before they go out into the field. So I feel confident in him and his team and the program, so I think we're excited.
Andrea Earle, who received a Director's Spirit Award, was humbled by her experience.
My best to help everybody the best I could. I think I was a little bit of a troublemaker in the beginning for everybody because I'm kind of hard to figure out. But in the end, I guess they love me.
From Utah Tech's post-graduation, Melissa Anderson, Community Education News.